Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad. I'm going to read the poem. Starlight, new moon bright, high up in the sky tonight, shining bright, shining clear, telling us that Eid is here. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, happy Eid we say. Tomorrow we have a feast, it's such a happy day. At school we have a party with bright new clothes to wear and games to play with all our friends and lovely food to share. Us must remember to thank Allah for prepare family and food He gives us every day. Jazakallah khairan.